We are going to use that same composite shape, but this time instead of determining the perimeter, we are going to calculate the area. Now the problem is asking us to cut this shape into a trapezoid, a square, a rectangle, and a triangle. This is not one of our basic shapes, so we have to cut it into things that we have easy formulas for. So if I draw this segment here, I've created a rectangle. I can draw this segment here to create that triangle, and then closing off this gives me a square in the middle with a trapezoid on top. So we have our rectangle, we have our triangle, we have our square, and the trapezoid. And we're just going to use their respective formulas. So let's start with the trapezoid. So I'm starting my formula. I got A equals 1/2 B1 plus B2 times the height. So we need to find out our two bases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have a base of 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another base of 10. I can plug that in. A is equal to 1/2. My two bases are 7 plus 10. Now height. Remember, we want vertical height. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a height of 4. So the area of our trapezoid is going to be 34 units squared. So we can go ahead and put the 34 in this box. We then have the square. So we'll do the square up here. Our area for a square is base times height. We know that all sides are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see a height of 5. And then if I can go across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it does turn out to be a square. I have a base of 5, a height of 5. That gives me an area of 25 units squared. So I can put that in my box. Next I have a rectangle. And the area formula for the rectangle is just like that of a square. I'm going to count my base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have a base of 8, and then my height 1, 2, 3. So the area of my rectangle is 24 units squared. And I'm going to come over here to the far left to calculate my triangle. So I have my last shape is a triangle. This one is going to be 1/2 base times height. So 1/2. Count my base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A base of 8. Count our height. Make sure it's the vertical height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's going to give me an area of 24 units squared. You can see that it is okay for two shapes to get the same area but have a different shape. Now because we want total area, we're just going to add all four together. So we're going to do 34 plus 25 plus 24 plus 24, and we're going to get a total area of 107 units squared.